Hello everyone, welcome to IMS Gate Academy. Here is a recruitment update from the Bharat Electronics Limited BIL. They are going to recruit for the trainee engineer and project engineer for the different branches. Let's see the detail here. First of all, this post, the recruitment is for the contract basis only. So this is a fixed term contract basis job, and this is of Bengaluru complex. So let's see the detail here. The trainee engineer 1, job code FLC01, number of posts are 125, upper age limit is 28. You can see here reservation of post is mentioned. According to this one, you can see the placement can be across India. Second, trainee engineer 1, job code SPS02, 9 vacancies are there, upper age limit is same, everything is same here. And the next, job code MH03, number of vacancies 8, job code EVM04, 43, trainee engineer SK05, 6 vacancies are there, and project engineer EVM06, number of vacancies are 14. So for the trainee engineer, upper age limit is 28. For the project engineer, upper age limit is 32. You can see the details here. Now, the next thing, this is a fixed term job. So for the project engineer 1, it will be initially for the 3 year, which they can extend for 1 year also, maximum 1 year. So it can be for the maximum 4 year. In the first year, remuneration will be 40,000, second year 45,000, third year 50,000, and if it will be extended for the 4th year, it will be 55,000. For trainee engineer 1, initially it will be for the 2 year, they can extend it for the up to the 1 more year, so it will be maximum for 3 year. Okay, so the first year the remuneration will be 30,000, second year 35,000, and if they will extend, then the third year it will be 40,000. Okay, so one more detail is mentioned, you can see here. Now let's talk about the qualification and post qualification experience, as because this is not for the fresher, experience is required surely here. So we can see for the FLC01 job code trainee engineer, a candidate can have BE BTech degree, means 4-year full-time degree, BE BTech in information technology, information and science, electronics and communication, electronics and telecommunication, electrical, mechanical, electrical and electronics instrumentation is also mentioned here. Plus, a candidate must have a 6-month work experience and must have a knowledge in first level checking of EVMs, and it is mentioned election counting duty. Okay, the second thing for the same, it is same for the trainee engineer 1, job code SPS02, full-time BE BTech degree with minimum 55% marks in all. Okay, so it is for the electrical and electronics. A candidate must have a 6-month minimum number of experience. Okay, and the specifically area of experience is also required here. So must have experience in solar industry, solar power, planet. So as it is mentioned, industrial experience is required for this particular post. Okay, when we talk about the MH03 job code trainee engineer BE BTech in information technology, electronics communication, okay, they can approach 6 month plus. Again, they are talking about must have knowledge of the following. So the candidate must have the knowledge of these languages also: Java, troubleshooting field, okay, issues, providing solution to the field personnel. So field knowledge is also compulsory here, so as it is mentioned here. Okay, and the next one is project engineer EVM04. This is BE BTech electronics and communication, electrical, mechanical, electrical communication is also mentioned. 6 month plus production and testing repair. As I told you, the work experience is required everywhere. Okay, now trainee engineer 04 SK05 is the job code. So this is electronics and communication, electronics, telecommunication, electrical, electronics, 6 month plus these experience are required here. Okay, for the project engineer, a candidate must have a BE BTech degree with a minimum 55% marks in electronics communication, mechanical, electrical and electronics. Okay, 2 years of work experience required for the project engineer, and the candidate must have knowledge in the production, testing, repair, as it is mentioned. So the basic requirement is candidate should be experienced. Okay, now so they are going to conduct their on test, written test plus interview. So we can see the minimum percentage will be 55% in each and everything. So the selection process will be based on the two things. First, there will be 85 marks written test. After that, who will pass in this one, they will call for the interview, and then will be the final selection done. Okay, so more details I'll mention how to apply. You can apply through this one, recruitment of trainee engineer or project engineer for components and EM SBU Bengaluru. So you can go through this one and you can apply. And one very important thing, what is the application fees? Yes, they are having application fee also for project engineer 1, general, EWS and OBC candidates need to pay 472 rupees. Okay, and trainee engineer need to pay 177 rupees. And if you are from SC, ST, PWBD candidates, then there is no need of application fee. So this will be zero for these candidates. Okay, you can pay online or offline also, as it is mentioned. Now here the documents you need to apply, everything I told you, whatever the general instruction you can see. Now one very important thing, last date to apply is 24th June. Before 24th June you can apply here. Okay guys, thank you.